sikhuleke sizile ukudla, sizincishe ukudla, sikhulekela ukuthi wena 2K, wena ngane yama-90s ukuthi uphile impilo emnandi, ukuthi sikubhulela amazolo la endleleni yempilo, siwabhule wena kuthi kuqambe kufika ezingeni kule age esikuyona ube u-right, wena uvele usuke wena uvele uhambe uyosukela nje indoda ebroke. Kuzo zonke izinto ongazisukela uvele uqome nje indoda ebroke.
Hello, sanibonani, Dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalula lwezibhekane zona esihambela le kude phezulu. Do join.
Sanibonani, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalula lwezinkondlo zona esihambela le kude phezulu. Lalela. Masixoxa indaba la. Sikhuluma with real life situations. Uma ngabe indaba isuka ingesiyona yangempela, uyayibona futhi ngiyakutshela ukuthi le it's just for the fabulous life that we live. Ukuthi ke sihleke sipholise ingqondo. Le ibuya kuma-DM uthi usisiwe sisizande ngicela ubawonishe lababeza emva kwethu ngiyintokazi yakuma-80s. Ngicela ungonishe lama-90s nama-2Ks ukuthi aze angalenzi iphutha lokuthi elifini wena uthi uzokwakha indoda. Uthi nje ngazalwa ekhaya rich, kumiwe kahle vele ekhaya. So makumiwe kahle ekhaya, nami nje ngizikhulele ngiphile impilo soft life. Mina ngiyile ngane sisizandi ebekuthi mengabe kuvalwe izikole ngibuza ukuthi ngifuna i-holiday away, ngifuna ukuyaphi for holidays. And ngikhule ngingedwa for a longest of time. Uma wami was struggling ukuconceive umntana olama mina ungilame sengina 15. So nje ngikhule ngiyiqanda lika baba. Ngiloyo nto nje ethathwa iyobekwa isuse lapha iyobekwa lapha ithathwe lapha ifakwe esaluni, wenza ikhanda usuke esaluni isuke shopping. Uyabona nje bekumnandi bekuthi mekuvalwe izikole ngibuza ukuthi kuthiwa how would you like to spend your holidays. Ngile ngane ezalwa abazali aba-understanda izinto zama-timeshares. Okuthi holiday ekhaya besingalixakekeli besithatha ibhuku lama-timeshares sibuka ukuthi ikephi la esingakovakashi khona. Cape Town, Sodwana Bay, bani, you name them, Hluhluwe, Game Reserve, Casablanca, Cape Town. Ayikho mina indawo engayazi sisandi ngiphile kamnandi and I appreciate abazali bami. Yangithatha ke impilo yangibeka. Ngaqeda ukufunda, ngahamba ngaya esikoleni, e-university ngafunda ngaqeda kodwa ke kwangahamba kahle emsebenzi wise. Up until a time whereby ubaba wami wanginikeza i-capital ukuthi ngiqale something ke esabhizinisana ke. Uthi mangiqala into something esabhizinisana ngoba vele ngangenze i-IT, ngiyakhumbula nje ibhizinisi lami lokuqala. At a time i-internet ingako accesseki kalula. Ibhizinisi lami lokuqala baba wanginika i-capital, wangavula ispace nyane esincane ekhaya, ngafaka ama-computer ngenza i-internet cafe. That was my very first business engaba nayo. Kodwa ke sisandi mangixoxele ukuthi I've never been lucky in love. Yo, abafana bebengidlala shem. It's either even ngisho high school nje bengizitholela abafana abajola nami ngoba befuna ilantshami emnandi ngoba ilantshami mina esikoleni yayiba nama snacks healthy. Yabona ngile ngane ephatha ama dried fruits, ngile ngane le ephatha ama crackers, ngile ngane le ephatha nje izinto ezikhala kamnandi. Abafana nase high school nje ababe engangicrush bengangibacrusha nabo babesondela eduze kwami ngoba naku umuntu ebona ukuthi hayi uzifunela nje ilantshami emnandi. Uthi lalela ke nako ke phela leli khasi eliqala kuluma kambe kwathiwa ngifaka uvaseline osengufake. Uthi ke indaba enkulu ke sisizandile iqala la. Ingithathe ngibeke impilo ingishonisele ibhizinisi lami le internet cafe ngiliqale lihambe kahle, enye izale up to a point whereby la ngayiyeka khona i-internet cafe ngiyeke sekuqala abantu sebejwayele ukuba namafoni anama-internet sengibona ukuthi hayi leli bhizinisi liyabheda. Kodwa nhlanhla leyo ngesikhathi sengiyiyeka lo seyiqala ukuwa lo business leyo vele bese ngibranch off ngenze ezinye izinto ke. Inkampani yakhe nje is doing well ka-IT industry and uzuyangixoxela nokuthi uke wanominatewa those of you who follows into zokunominate nana. Hayibo, khumbulani phela nihambe niyovota lapha ku-Instagram. Nami banginominatile bathi I have the multiple nominations for best podcast that is making a difference. Please vote for me. All you got to do to vote, just follow the influencer Purposeful Influencer Page Awards. Then you go there, you scroll down, you find the post and up best podcast. Ufike nje on the comment section uthi phahla igama lami uthi Zandi Mfeka noma ulibhale lonke liphelele uma ukuthi nje life graduate umhlaba uthi meaningful conversations uthi Zandi Mfeka, ngicela wenze njalo ke. Uthi kusisike kuze kwenzeka ukuthi at some point wazi wagcina ethola ngisho lama awards la top woman tontoni in business uthi uthole lama awards la at some point ba mentorisha uthi ayike lapho ke bese excel. Kodwa nje uthi all along u-excel empilweni ngayo yonke into ushoda ngento eyodwa, ushoda ngendoda. Uthi kuze kufika isikhathi la ngithi khona njengoba nginenkinga kanje yabantu besilisa mhlambe akusona isabelo sami ukuthi ngithole umuntu oright empilweni, maybe ubambo lami luthweshe somewhere in some street corner elokishini njengoba mina ngihleli kumasabhabha ngihamba ngey'ngqovu zey'moto ey'nkulu ngisuzela phezulu, mhlambe ngimshayisa lo muntu lo ngimshiphela ngothule emgwaqweni ngimthele ngemvula izulu. Ake ngibheke kahle. Uthi there is this guy bese loke nginakile lo mfana, bese loke nginakile lo mfana, unginake lo mfana nje sihlangana phina, sihlangana in one of the business ntontontoni workshops and what as attend abantu bamabhizinisi. Uma sihlangana nawo umfana umuntu ingqondo yakhe too highly programmed ey'ntweni zamathenda. So nalapho nje mangabe ukhuluma naye nje ukhuluma into yethenda nje, ukhuluma into yethenda nje, impilo yakho uyibona nje yena iba successful ngethenda, akayiboni ikhula ngenye indlela. As a result ngaze ngamtshela ukuthi yazi uma ngabe ufuna ukuba nebusiness eli-successful akobuke into ozothi uma uyiqala wena ubone ukuthi at least it's something that you are passionate about, and it's something that ezoba isidingo to a point ukuthi uma uyiqala noma ustrugglisha uzostrugglisha at least for the first 2 years emveni kwalokho izoba right. Ma uzosola ukufocus ey'ntweni zamathenda, into zamathenda zihamba ngokuthi wazibani kephi kanjani, so they don't have a guarantee. Uthi ngiyakhumbula nje at some point lo mfana sengimqomile ke manje ngiyammola lo muntu ukuthi ulophola akanalutho, uyahlanganisa uyabamba uyayeka uyabamba uyayeka, kodwa sengiyitshelile engqondweni yami ukuthi ake ngizivuthululele uqama wami ngiyilungise yena ngoba mhlawumbe uyena umuntu ozobe ubambo lami lo. Uthi hayi ke umfana ke sijole sigcine sijola ke sigcine sijole size sihambe siyobhala eHome Affairs. Sibhale eHome Affairs ngoba phela akanamali yokungishada, imina enginemali la, imina engistrong la, sehlala endlini yami, udla mina, ngimnika izimoto ezami ezibizayo, uhamba ngemoto zami ezibizayo just ukuthi ngimkhave nje isidima sakhe, and I'm hoping ukuthi ngelinye ilanga mhlambe iyohlangana lento ayihlanganisayo. At some point ngize ngimlona 200,000 and I know very well ukuthi lo 200,000 ngeke uzubuye ngoba uzokhokha ngani, kodwa ngithi ake ngimzame ngimnike leli thuba. Uthi hey umuntu wakhona lo 200,000 ngicela ungibuza ungiphalula ukuthi wawenzani ngoba wawuthatha wayo bribe kuyithenda eyifakela kwi-competition itight, akanayo ne-experience alento ayeyithenda rishela, wangayithola umuntu loyo kamasipala PPP la ayefake khona wayidla imali, wangawuthola umsebenzi ngoba vele wayengawuqualifyeli. Yezwa yini? Uthi hayi ke kucaca ukuthi ekugcineni kosuku ayikho into yalo muntu ehlanganayo, shuthi yimi ekufanele ngimenze indoda manje, ngimgqume ngivele ngimnikeze one of the business uthi aka manage this one, aka handle this one. Yena shem mangabe echaza ukuthi ke he was very good with marketing, ama marketing skills wakhe, because half of the businesses aphume because of marketing skills wakhe. Naye ke umfana loyo wayengafundile kangako kodwa nje wayemuntu okwazi ukukhuluma nje, umuntu olalelekayo othi mangabe semile phambi kwakho echaza into ayichazayo ekudayisela akudayisela udayiseleke nawo. Uthi hayina ngempela ke kube njalo ke usewumnumzane seyingqovu kwamnumzane nje ehambela phezulu ngeemoto ezibizayo. Ngigule ngelinye ilanga ngigule kucaca nje ukuthi ngiyagula impela, nama ngazi ukuthi ngiphethwe yini, sabathe kwenziwa ama-test kwaba sabathe kwenziwa this kwenziwa. Well ke kutholakale ukuthi ke kuze kutholakale ekugcineni ukuthi nginama symptoms kahle the reason ngiloke ngigula because uthi into eyayingamandla uthi ngangiloke ngigula nje ngihleze ngikhathele kungesinye isikhathi kube buhlungu ukuphefumula ama-muscle abhlungu kodwa nje indlela engangigula ngayo ngangigula ngangikhathala ngihleze ngikhathele up until odokotela babona ukuthi hayi kusho ukuthi ama-symptoms wento engiphethe ngathi nginyonyobelwa yilesifo abasibiza nge-lupus. Loso sifo ke mawufuna ukusi-understanda kangcono ilokhu njani i-lupus ukuthi into eyenzeka kanjani ubolandela uTony Braxton. uTony Braxton is an ambassador for a-lupus. Isifo esirare singajwayelekile it-attacks ama-muscles umzimba wakho nje wonke uyakhathala nje ube into eyinsobonsobo nje ukhahleze ukhathele and the only recommendation ngagcina kuthiwa asinakhambi the only recommendation bekuthiwa ke kufanele nje ube umuntu orestayo. So kwaphoqa ukuthi I have to sign over ngimnikeze uBhutiza lo i-power of attorney ukuthi acontrol wonke amabhizinisi ami, control amabhizinisi, ucontrol imali, ucontrol yonke into and nami kwaphoqa ukuthi njoba ngiloke ngigula kanje ngingazi ukuthi ngizosinda nini. I need somebody who is going to come and assist and khumbula ukuthi ngithe ingane mina eza emva kwami ingilame sengina-15 uma isekade azama ukuzala kungazaleki. So loyo ngane leyo ibincane vele lesikhathi ngihlangabezana nalezo zinkinga bekungekhona lokuthi mhlambe ngingathiwa akuze yona ke mhlambe ngizohlala nayo ke ngoba I needed somebody who's close to me who can actually take care of me and uma ebefika ahlale but she was not comfortable ukuhlala endlini yami lapho nami ngihleli khona nendoda engangilobolanga engavele ngashada nje nayo because they were against lowo mshado loyo. So uthi kuze kufikelele esinqumeni sokuthi unomzala wakhe umzala lo omunye wama-family members abakhule be-close naye abasekho that close kodwa umzala it so happen ukuthi bekahlala on the same city la kade ehlala khona naye efunda eTertiary and benokwenza ukuthi ngesinye isikhathi nini nje amcela imali uthi naye benokumsiza nje from time to time noma travelile mhlambe abone something eshop la ehamba khona athenge something amnikeze kumzala wakhe so baba close ngalo ndlela. So usacabanga ukuthi hayi ngoba njoba ngigula kanje ngigula kanje ngihlaze ngiyinto ekhathele there is much that I can do. I need somebody who's going to be around the house when the husband is away on business and vele busy is handling businesses. Ukhona uanto cleanayo kodwa uthi she was not comfortable ukuthi kube uanto cleanayo uzomnakekela. So uthi hayi ke ambize kumzala athi mzala ngicela uzohlala ngapha until mhlambe kuze kucace ukuthi what is going to happen to me. Nangempela umzala was so nice wafika kumzala wahlala kumzala a couple of weeks nini uthi kwakumnandi ukuhlala nomzala ngoba encourage nje umzala yabona nje bexoxe kube mnandi bekhuluma about izinto zabo ngesikhathi besakhula bebancane imikhuba babenza. Uthi futhi ngempela ukuba khona kwamzala kwenza umehluko omkhulu because I quickly recovered. Little did I know ukuthi umzala umesehambile la ekhaya ebese close nendoda yami to a point ukuthi sebenane izinamba and ngithi gaga ifone yendoda yami ngelinye ilanga ngibona ku flash i-message umsave ngegama lakhe and then kwase kwaba nama heart eceleni. Umzala useyafletha nendoda yami waqala befletha ngesikhathi ngisahlala nami kuyimane emlayeza imithi hayi uzibani uyabangcono uyaphola uyathini kwaze kwaqhubeka to a point ukuthi noma esehambile baqhubeka bafletha baze bajola. Uthi indoda ayingilanga yini ibusy ikhipha umzala wami ngezimali zami iphilisa umzala wami soft life ngezimali zami. Uthi ngiyabona mothi hayi umzala impilo yakhe yasishintsha fast kangaka. Uthi umzala usefaka ama-weave bani intshashaya emqolo Brazilian tontoni usefaka ama-designer labels umzala sephatha ama-iPhone and status sikamzala ku-Insta siyaroka. Uthi nje I was born for this kanti imali yendoda yami. Uthi nje ngavele ngayishayela phansi ngathi yayibona le ngizoyishayela phansi angizuyimemeza angeke ngenze umsindo angeke ngenze in ngoba vele ngangimnike i-power of attorney wonke amabhizinisi vele kwawami. Uthi nje ngavele ngasusha lo oqeda ipapa i-factory yepapa ngayisusha ngayithi switch ngathatha ngabuyisa i-power of attorney ngabuyisa la bese ne-access khona izimali nani ngamshiya nekhadi elilodwa. Uthi the weekend ayezohamba ngalo uthi umzala weza ukuthi umzala useze umeeting ngisho ukumitha the weekend ayizokhipha ngalo umzala eqamba manga ethi uya kwi-business ntontontoni eCape Town kanti unamanga usebhukhe Mauritius weekend away ubhukhela lo mzala wami engimhlalisa ekade ezonginakekela la ngesikhathi ngigula the same mzala mina engimthetha njengodadewethu mina engisamsupporta njengoba ese-tertiary ngoba phela even though bekhule endaweni kodwa bemncane umzala kunaye usisters lo. Bengathi bemncane ngeminyaka ewu-3 or 4 kanjalo. Bemncane kunaye ingakho yena ebesase-tertiary eseqedile se-right eseney'mali zakhe. Uthi nge-weekend leyo bezoya ngayo eMauritius ngawabona amathikithi. And thina la ekhaya sine-travel agent. Uma ngabe sizotravela, we book everything through i-travel agent nje. It's a trusted travel agent because vele impilo yokutravela into engangikhule ngiyijwayele. So nami amanye ama-timeshares wasekhaya ubaba wasayina over kumina, so I continued kuleya mpilo leyaya. So bengine-travel agent. Uthi ngabona mos still lokhunjani izinto ziyafika and lo uthi uya kwi-business trip eCape Town kodwa ilokhunjana ama-statements ama-emails bekase uthi ngesikhathi esolo ukuthi ujola nomzala lo uthi wagcina find out indlela yokuthola i-access yama-emails wakhe. Uthi wesisizandi akukho ke okuhlula umfazi mase ezitshelile ukuthi ufuna ukuba u-investigator onuka ekhaleni, u-investigator oqavileyo, uyayithola into ayifunayo. Uthi ngabona ukuthi ngesikhathi ngiloke ngisola ukuthi lo usenomkhuba ukuthi noma e-bathroom ayisikhathi eside ahambe nefoni, useba distant ngihleli naye, umuntu uhleli naye la endlini ubhizi ugona ifoni uyansinsitheka. Uthi ngiyambona nendlela nje ashesha ngawuqhasha abamba ifoni mangabe ifoni yakhe iringa. Usuyabona ukuthi khona into eyifihlayo kanti ebe umuntu o-open before ongenankinga nje nefoni, ifoni yakhe beyiringa ngisho ukuringa ngiyibambe ngoba half the time besuke sifonela abantu aba-common, sometimes it's about business. So besinaleyo rule ukuthi ifoni mayiringa sisendlini siyayibamba sayiphinda ngoba mhlampe it's business related. Uthi kodwa off late ever since kwahamba umzala ayi kwashintsha ukudla epletini. Umuntu sehlala kwikhona lakhe nje noma sithi siyazama ukubonda even ngisho kwi-dinner table umuntu busy nefoni, uncuma yedwa umuntu ngazi ukuthi nje ubone izulu qatha-ke ezandleni, uncuma yedwa umuntu uyiloyo nto nje umuntu ngasho ngathi khona into engekho, khona into off apha. Ngapha ngilandela umzala ama-status kamzala ever since abuya la kwami, ama-status kamzala, ama-story times kamzala, a-words of life wodwa into eyayingekho before. Akasayona ingane yesikole umzala nje, akasaphosti njengengane yesikole, usephosta nje njenge-it girl, usephosta njenge-slay queen, into nje ebambe i-soft life nge-golden spoon. Uthi la hlanganisa khona ukuthi and uthi ke mangabe sowuzitshelile ekhanda lakho i-6th sense yomuntu esifazane ayishayi phansi. Uthi ngangingayazi i-password yama-emails wakhe kodwa I made a plan. And khumbula phela ukuthi ngithe sisters naye uyi-IT ntontontoni. Uthi I made a plan, I had to crack le laptop ayisebenzisayo open. Ngithola ama-password, ngithola ukungena ama-emails akhe ukuthi hawu ngangena ngelingena ngama-emails. Yeah, right, zinje la ama-5-star lunch, ama-weekend away. Mina into engithi mangiyikhuluma ngingabe ngisanaka ngisho ukunama ithi hayibo kufanele sithi nje sishawe umoya sengi-right manje sengipholile. Hawu umuntu akayingeni nje indaba yami. Kanjani nje baby kubhizi kangaka, umsebenzi is highly demanding, uyangidinga and wena kobe right kahle, you still need to recover. Hleze nama-excuses mengabe ngithi asenze something together kodwa nje qho weekend after weekend unendlela ibhizinisi ntontoni. Uthi ngawayifica i-evidence ihleli ngilindile. Right? Uthi ngayifica evidence ihleli ingilindile, ama-statements aya-emailwa la, ama-flight details, amantontontoni. Uthi from there ngavele ngahlala kwi-travel agent and uthi kwi-travel agent yami vele there was one lady owayeka-customer service okuyiyo wayejwayele ukungisiza. Uthi ngathi lalela wena ilula into engifuna ukuthi ungenzele yona, each and every booking eyenziwayo le ndoda yami ngicela wenze sure ukuthi uyangidownloadela, uyangiprintela i-copy, you send it to me, don't email it because angifuna ukufaka enkingeni nomsebenzi wakho. Wena nje all you need to do, you can just download it and send it to me. Uthi ngambambisa-ke ngamfumbathisa-ke imfalakahlana-ke emfanele-ke ngomsebenzi omuhla wenzayo. Uthi hayi weekend to weekend. Uthi umuntu wakhona wayijampisa mhlampe 1 weekend or 2-3 weekends ajampisa aphinda abhukhe. Bayabhukha labantu badla koma 5-star, labantu umthengela namawasha wegolide, umthengele i-iPhone the latest u-16 bani Pro, umthengele ama-weave, umthengele ama-designer bags, umthengele ama-Crocs. Uthi hayibo ngemali yami ngekabani Chelete kamang yaka ha uthi wa-collect i-evidence usesuka lapha maqeda uku-collect i-evidence waqasha i-private investigator ngicela ungilandelele umtheli like this ngithi nangempela yamthela yambuyela nobunye ubufakazi ashutha iy'thombe yamthumela wathi ya right uthi nge-weekend yokugcina la ayemqambele khona amanga ethi uya kwi-business trip eCape Town kanti uyisa lo mzala wami uyamkhipha lo Ways of Life umuse Mauritius for a weekend away ngathi yeah there comes my time, it's my time, I'm ready to strike. Uthi ngathula ngathi zip angeke ngikhulume, angeke ngibonise nalokuthi khona into engiyizwayo ngisola ini, I won't make noise, okukaKhesari uzobuyela kukaKhesari. Ungakulingi sukela indoda ebroke ube uBob the builder ngoba nakwena uthi ucabanga awulethelanga kulomhlaba kuzophakamisa amadoda. Umuntu akafike nemali yakhe nawe ufike nemali yakho nihlanganise niphusha impilo ibheke phambili. Uthi ngahlanganisa ngaqeda ngathi nya bayahamba laba baye Mauritius bacabanga ukuthi angazi lo busy uthi uya kwi-conference kwi-property conference ngoba uthi at that time bese nawo ngisho ama-property bese owner ngisho i-property. Uthi lo qamba manga uthi uya kwi-property conference eCape Town kanti baya eMauritius and ucabanga ukuthi angazi ngisilima. Uthi that weekend ngangingajabule uyabona lokujabula loku okuhambisana nepeace yokuthi ubuka lo ozenza uclever kanti wena usuclever 50 steps times forward kuyena usule phambili unqanqazela le phambili. Uthi ngaze ngamphekisa leyo suitcase personally. I was the one who was picking up the clothes, I was the one who was ironing, I was the one who was choosing ukuthi uzogqoka lezo. Uthi nje ngayazi ngamphekisa ngathi hayi antakathatha i-break ake ngimphekise mina. Uthi ngamphekisa ngaqeda ngiyibonile i-ticket flight i-return ticket flight ukuthi ithi Mauritius and it's for abantu babili and u-business class soloko aqala ukujona nalengane le yase cousin wami bahamba business class labantu. Yes, mali yami leyo. Umdlisi life ngesilver spoon ngemali kamba. Uthi hayi ngabekezela ngayihlekisa ngasenza into ejabule ngamphekisa waqeda. Thema kaqeda lapho ke wahamba waflya. Uthi they were flying in the afternoon and mabe fly in the afternoon yena wayengekho. Waqeda nje wamphekisa ngayizolo and the next day in the morning wahamba wakhuluma nommeli wakhe wafika wamchazela ummeli wakhe sonke istory wafika nabo bonke ubufakazi wathi ummeli okay so kwenza kanje miyeka ahambe lo sizofreeza everything yakho. Uthi hawu bafreeza malokho njani uthi ngoba vele amakhadi yabona mangabe une account ube yi-main account holder and then omunye umuntu abe ne-secondary card on the same account. Uthi ama-account kabhuti vele lo aye kanjalo ngoba phela wayengena lutho uLopolo wafika ephethe nje amazambane amabili nevoroso eli-1 kusho ukuthi lali mnandi kivoroso namazambane-ke ayetshomzela kamnandi ngoba naku phela waze wamnikeza nama-access-ke kwafika wafica okugula-ke ngebhadi makafica okugula-ke waphoqeleka ukuthi akamnikeze i-power of attorney. Uthi hawu bakhansela i-power of attorney bamyeka nje wahamba wathi mase ehambile kwelinye izwe la eSouth Africa yena ngithi uthi bavala ama-bank account uthi wavala wonke ama-bank account wavala watransfer imali wavula amanye ama-account wakhe-ke yena usisi ngapha eceleni wavala umlomo wakhe. Uthi bahamba baye Mauritius. Uthi nje hayi ngihlele nje ngithilile ngizibukela i-movie ngizibekela ama-popcorn ami lana ngizibekele nje ama-snacks ami ama-biltong amantontoni ngizithela qhabu iwayini ngirelaxe ngiphole e-head office ngifuna ukubona ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani makafika kuleya Mauritius. Uthi hayi balende eMauritius ngasibona isikhathi uthi okay ngibabonile ama-flight ticket ukuthi balenda isikhathi balende eMauritius it's late in the afternoon mabelenda uthi bahambe baye ehotela. Uthi uyafika ehotela uswipe leli khadi ngci uswipe i-personal card ngci uswipe i-credit card ngci uswipe i-business card ngci. Uthi kuthiwa yathi receptionist, sir, with due respect all your cards are declining, do you perhaps have another method of paying? Iphi? Ngoba phela wonke lamakhadi vele kahle akaze kuba wakha kona wakhe yena he owns u0 nada zilch not. Uthi ngaloko busuku baba stranded eMauritius behleli ngaphandle baphoqeleka ukuthi abahambe babuyele e-airport ngocash omncane ayenawo ephaketheni baphoqeleka ukuthi abaqashe i-cab ibabuyisele e-airport because they didn't have imali yokulala. Lo ophilisisa of life obekaphiwa nezizumbulu zezimali from imali yami ebeyidla le mali beyinqunqutha beyithi ngangena nje ayothi zipho ayothi zinwele ayothi designer babe ngoba phela uthola of life angithi uthola umshini oconsa izizumbulu nje out of the blue. Uthi wamcela ku-husband wathi angicela ukhokha ngekhadi lakho ngizokurefunda masibuyela back at home, I don't know what is happening with my card. Uthethi intombazane hayi anginayo mina imali mangabe ungipha wona nje ithi ngena ngibe ngiyisebenzisa ngoba phela angithi it's my allowance, I'm meant to enjoy it. Kuthiwa bambelele ekhanda lo baphoqa ukuthi abaphindele e-airport. Bafike e-airport kuthiwa bahlala 2 nights e-airport. They were busy sharing a bottle of water eseshisa nalo bottle of water engasashisi nokushisa and kuthiwa kuyisama. Uthi nje ngangibamajini ukuthi basha kanjani ukushisa in summer kungekho kuyocruiser baphole lapha kumapool ngemali yami. Uthi wagijima esayidini wathi let me try and sort this out with so and so angicheckele ukuthi kwenzakalani. And lapho vele akukho nanokuthi uzokwazi ukuthi mhlambe aphuma ngene phela if you are a foreigner kwelinye ilizwe unenkinga ye-bank account unenkinga yozibuyela emuva. Uthi wangifonela and uthi vele lo call sekade ngiyilindile sengiyiplanele nokuthi uma kafona impendulo yami izothini. Uthi wangifonela, baby, is there a problem with the cards because ngilana I'm trying to buy some food qamba manga, I've arrived in Cape Town safely and I'm trying to buy some food. Uthi didn't you book a hotel that gave you a package in it Dynamos? Why are you having a problem with buying food? Uthi no, I'm just taking out I'm with a friend for dinner. I did not eat at the hotel but I've just checked in. Ngicela ungicheckele ukuthi kwenzakalani because my card just declined. Thank God I was with a friend so he just picked up the bill wayibhatala yena. Uthi ngathi hey, at least you were with that friend. Thank God for that and at least you've got a place to stay. Uthi eyamathikithi nje ngayiyeka ngamabomu naye ukuthi ngithi ayiyokhanselwa ngoba ayesebhukhiwe futhi ngangifuna nje ukuthi ngimbone ukuthi mesebuya uzobuya angene ngelithini kwami ngoba phela ikwami la yena akazabe nendlu akazabe nanhlwa wayezanywa yimina nje kuyona yonke into eyayenzeka ngangimzama ngimenza indoda ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi I'm building okungokwami nami mhlambe if ngireduce standards. Hey, uthi hayi kuze kufike kuSunday bekufanele babuye ngawo. Hayi ke bagibela ke eflightini ke at least uthi that whole weekend kusho ukuthi the only food that they ate was on the flight business class labo behambile ngawo behamba Friday. They didn't eat the whole day on Saturday ngoba umlisa vele uthi wayengesiyena umuntu wayengajwayelanga ukuphatha cash nokuthi vele ke mo travel umuntu wamabhizinisi abantu bamabhizinisi abajwayela ukuphatha cash. So uthi ke le phambili the little cash that he had yilo abosebenzisa ukuthatha i-cab baphindele e-airport ngawo. Uthi bahlala ke-airport beyizinto ezi-stranded ezimorosed up until kwaze wafika uSunday. Wafika kuSunday ngoba phela ama-return flight ke wona vele aye-booked bagibela ke baze bathola ukudla something eflightini ebuyayo. Uthi wathi engena ngithi nginawo wonke ama-details nesikhathi ukuthi kubuya nini kanjani. Uthi wathi engena nje ngomnyango ngabona umuntu owayebukeka njengenja etshontsha amaqanda, ngabona umuntu obukeka emorosed ogqoke impahla ezizodwa kusukela Friday kuze kube yiSunday. Uyambona ngisho emehlweni amehlo izigobhe i-stress ashone phakathi i-stress. Uthi waya kuyena, hawu baby kwenzakaleni ama-cards wami adeclineile kwathini ngathi ukuthi nje angizange ngimbuke ngisho ukumbuka emehlweni maye ngibuka lowo nonsense wombuzo. Uthi ngabuza into eyi-1 kuyena ngathi with my cousin ngasho ngimusho ngegama athi unozibani uye lo bakade ungitshela ukuthi declinela amakhadi unaye with my cousin out of all people. Hathi hawu baby uthi uyabazana bese sabanjani ne-ego. Hawu kodwa baby wena wamletha la endlini wathi hathi ngangingamlethelanga ukuthi wenze le nonsense owuyenzile noma ngabe wawuyenzela nombani yona le oyenzileyo with my money. and now unesibindi nengingila sokuzohlala la ungibuza ukuthi amakhadi kwenzakaleni. Uthi nje ngaphakamisa ikhanda ngamuthi jeb kwakanye, ngasukuma ngahamba ngayolanda ama-divorce papers ngathi here are the divorce papers, sign. Futhi ngicela ukukwenzela lula, ungazuzulokhu uba ne-stress ngoba ngiyakubona already ukhathele kakhulu, ube neli-weekend ekhathaze kakhulu shame emoyeni ngiyakubona, you really need some rest. Wena into ezokwenzeka ukuthi uma uzophuma la kulo mnyango walendlu, uzophuma ngalezi mpahla ozigqokile, uzophuma uzibone ukuthi uphuma kephi. You are not getting a single cent from izinto zami. Uthi ngenhlanhla ke babeshade out of community of property vele. Uthi you are not getting a single cent of izinto zami. I-share yakho already usuyidlile yile, uthi ngasho ngiyidonsa i-envelope enama-statements. Ama-statements ama-transfers epha ukhazini wami imali, ama-statements wasemahhotela, ama-statement wasemabhishi, ama-statement wasema-sklabhini la bebedla khona bezincinca khona bebuka behle benyuka, ama-statement. Uthi every single cent that abebeyintshontsha from me, ngathatha ama-statement ngawabeka la. Uthi akakwazanga ngisho ukwafunda, akakwazanga ngisho ukwabuka indlela ayesenamahloni ngayo esenyobozela. Uthi wathi the next thing that you can do, ngicela ungiphumele ngomnyango. Even ngisho i-under wena oyigqokile, I own it, and you had the nerve to steal from me. Theme ngabe ngingakondla wakhathala ukudla imali yami, wadecide ukuyoyidla nabanye abantu abangcono and worse, the person I call my blood. Utho kuwesi ikhazini ndini lo wayesemithi ezitshele kahle ukuthi ngayibamba i-jackpot. Uthi wayesemthengele ngisho i-apartment mangabesho. I-apartment leyo ayemthengele yona uthi bewanyobozela wahamba waya kuyona leyo apartment leyo bayohlala khona ngenhlanhla wayeyithengile ke ithenge cash. Umlisa lo wayemthengele cash esimolanyana flat esemkhiphe nase-res. Uthi wahamba ke bayokrempa kulo apartment, bayizinto ezilambayo, bayizinto ezixakekileyo, ingane isendleleni. Uthi ukhazini wandiza ebheka esibhedlela ethi uyoyikhipha ingane. Uthi kwathiwa wafika esibhedlela kwathiwa you are over the time yokukhipha ingane, wena ingane yakho is more than 3 months, usuyolanda 5 months. Wayikhipha le ngane uzofa ngoba awusakhipha umuntu, awusakhipha umbungu wena, so ukhipha umuntu ophilayo. Hey, kuthiwa baphasha abantu. Uthi ngababuka at a distance bephasha beqothuka behlupheka, umuntu engasayazi engasasazi isinkwa sase-Albany nesase-BB bread, umuntu esejwayele blue cheese nama-croissants bemali yami, waqala phansi wahlupheka. So ngiyakuwonisha we-2K, ngicela ungalenzi iphutha nanoma yini ongayenza empilweni. Ungakulinge mntanami uBob the Builder. Ungakulinga uBob the Builder wemano. Umatric kumatric, idiploma kwidiploma, idegree kwidegree, ngithi i-masters kwi-masters, umsebenzi kumsebenzi. Ha?